कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में ये अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी। ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends. We, the entire team of Franchise India, welcome all of you to our digital show, Business Opportunity Bachai. This is a digital representation of the business opportunity which we have got for you, so that you digitally interact with the brand founders and the leadership team, understand their business model, and take a right and a conscious decision of selecting the right franchise for yourself. We have divided this webinar into 2 parts. First, we'll take you through the presentation, and then we'll move towards a panel discussion. We have a question and answer box, so we request all of you to share your queries in question and answer box. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am, for this particular webinar. They'll be sharing their insights, their viewpoints, as well as input related to industry, as well as to this business opportunity. And the business opportunity which we are representing for all of you is Chain Smoker. It's leading F&B brand, which is based upon a different concept. And today we'll be talking about the different business model they are offering in market. They already penetrated in 8 different markets. And today we have invited Mr. Mehul Endoleshwar to talk about this brand. But before we formally invite them to share their presentation, we have a beautiful video on Chain Smoker, which we'd like to play. So Kanika, may I request you to please play the video? So much, Kanika. Now I invite Mr. Mehul to talk about the brand. Mehul, I'll just share the PPT for you.
Thank you so much. So, good afternoon, everyone present here. This is Mehul Jain from the Chain Smokers. We are here today because we have came here with a great business opportunity for everyone out there. Basically, what's the main question? What is the chain smokers? Chain smokers is just not a name or a tag given to a cafe or a food business. It's a feeling. It's an emotion. The emotion for us, as well as what we have observed running the business down the line with our customers, it's a feeling for them as well. So we tend to provide that same emotion and feeling to these people. So it's not just about food, it's all about the emotion and the environment we give them for being at a cafe. So we all know the food business is going uh, excessively down the line from past few years. So we can see in Tier 1 cities, there are many cafes, brands running, but the Tier 2 cities are also now coping up with them with many big brands as well as new franchisees and new business opportunities in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. We can see many brands which are now running globally were started from a two-tier city. So we are just one of those brands, but not same as the others.
Mehul, can we just go for PPT?
Yeah.
It's not
Should I?
visible. It's not visible.
I am not able to see that. Let me uh, check once. Let me share my screen quickly. Is my screen visible?
It's yes. Now we can see. Thanks.
So a little about us. We are a first generation of cafe business, and people say experience and the hierarchy business are good, but we can say innovation is the key for success nowadays. So chain smokers, what is the chain smokers cafe? In a short brief, we tend to create a space or an atmosphere for customers for that homely feel, because as we see the main demographic shifted towards this cafe and food business are the students or the people who are living away from home. That is a major focus, major people that roams around. So we tend to give them a homely feel, a family kind of feel in our cafes. We gel up with them. We spend time with our customers to know what they need as well as to provide what they feel for. Our small USPs, like we have themed interiors. Every cafe is unique in itself, yet going on a single theme. When we move shift, what is unique about Platter? Everyone says there are many brands running down the line, but what is special with your chain smokers? So here's my little answer about that. We have 6 USPs regarding that. First is our unique interiors. We have different kind of themes, which we'll see later in the slides, which we work upon to create a vibe that everyone loves. There's a mixture of different kind of themes in that. Exclusive inventory supply. We provide materials as well as recipes, everything any franchisee or any outlet needs to be run. So they don't have to go haywire or should tense about anything. They just have to sit there and focus on their customers and the business, and all the other work of the supplies and management is taken care by us directly. Economic concept. So the price range we are talking about, the pocket size, the ticket size we talk about, it's very economic for the customers, as well as the costings and the business plan, business model we own is also a great benefit for the investors. The fourth USP is a global food menu. We haven't restricted ourselves to a Marathi or some kind of simple cuisine. We are providing cuisines in variety, starting from Indian main courses, snacks, chaat, everything, to continental. We can go for Chinese, Italian, everything. So our global food menu is designed and curated in such a way that every city, any place in the world, if they go for a chain smoker cafe, they don't have to think what to put and where to get the data from. We have already curated a menu and recipes so that the outlet owner just have to choose what the people in their area want and we'll provide them whatever they want. Exclusive promotions. So yeah, we have an in-house PR and advertising team, which tends to provide exclusive promotions to everyone present. Every outlet will get a unique flavor of promotions and unique identity over the social media, so as to connect their customers better. And the last is the merchandise giveaways. So we own our own merchandise store, that is the Monkey Store, which provides unique and customized print on demand t-shirts, accessories, mugs, etc. And we have clubbed it with our core business, that is cafes. So Mr. Dileshwar will now continue with the merchandise thing, please.
Hello everyone. Yeah, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, you continue.
So with Chain Smokers, we have started the merchandise thing. Merchandise सबको पता होता है कि उस ब्रांड का टी शर्ट या फिर उससे रिलेटेड होता है, बट इसमें हमने एक न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट ये लाया है कि जो भी हमारा मर्केंडाइज स्टोर है उसका हमने नाम रखा है द मंकी स्टोर. एंड द मंकी स्टोर जो नाम आया है वो हमारे जो हमारा लोगो है ब्रांड का, दैट इज उसमें एक मंकी बना हुआ है, तो हमने उसको लेकर ही मंकी स्टोर बनाया है. तो इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि लाइक फॉर एन एग्जांपल, अगर मेरे कोई आउटलेट पे आता है, मैं ऑफलाइन की बात कर रहा हूँ राइट नाउ, तो अगर मेरे कोई आउटलेट पे आता है, उसका फॉर एन एग्जांपल उसका बिलिंग मिनिमम 1200 रुपीज हो रहा है, तो मैंने कुछ एक पैरामीटर सेट कर रखे हैं कि फॉर 1200 बिलिंग वी विल गिव यू अ टी शर्ट ऑफर अ ब्रांड फॉर फ्री. फॉर 1500 विल गिव यू टी शर्ट अलॉन्ग विद अ पैन और वॉट एवर, जो भी एक एसेसरी उससे रिलेट करती है, हम लोग वो दे रहे हैं. लाइक 2000 में हम लोग कुछ और दे रहे हैं, फॉर 3000 में हम लोग हुडी दे रहे हैं. तो ये लोकली हमने टेस्ट किया हुआ है इधर इंदौर, कसोल और देवास में, एंड इट्स गोइंग वेरी वेल ओवर हियर. इसमें दो चीज हो रही है, मेरी इनडायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग भी हो रही है डायरेक्टली, कि बंदा मेरे यहाँ से एक ग्रीड में आ रहा है कि यार अगर मैं 1000 का बिलिंग करता हूँ पर पर्सन, तो ही विल गेट एन टी शर्ट फॉर श्योर. दूसरा मेरा फायदा ये हो रहा है कि मेरा बिलिंग भी 1000 का हो गया. मेरा जो कॉस्ट पड़ रहा है मुझे टी शर्ट बनाने में, दैट गोज अराउंड आई थिंक 125 to 130 रुपीज, जो कि एक अच्छी क्वालिटी की टी शर्ट है, वो भी मेरा निकल गया. क्योंकि अपना जो एक्चुअल रूट कॉस्ट जो आ रहा है फूड का, वो आ रहा है 18 to 20%, और टी शर्ट का मिला के 120, मतलब अपना 150 या 200 रुपीज में मेरा कंप्लीट हो गया, जिसमें मेरी 1000 की बिलिंग हो गई, और साथ में मेरी एक डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग हो गई. बंदा मेरी टी शर्ट पहनेगा, मार्केट में घूमेगा, 10 लोगों से मिलेगा, तो ही विल कम टू नो कि व्हाट चेन स्मोकर इज ऑल अबाउट. सेम विद द ऑनलाइन, अगर हम लोग इसको ऑनलाइन भी सेल करते हैं, तो वी हैव स्टार्टेड द रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स, जो अभी हम लोग विल डिस्कस फर्दर, एंड मेहुल विल टेल यू अबाउट द होल थिंग. जो रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स और लॉयल्टी पॉइंट्स का हम लोगों ने जो स्टार्ट किया है, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग कि यहाँ पर बंदा आता है, इट्स लाइक अ गिफ्ट वाउचर, कि किसी बंदे की बिलिंग होती है तो अलग विल गिव हिम अ लॉयल्टी कार्ड, और जो हमारा लॉयल कस्टमर है तो हम उसको मंथली बेस पे एक वैल्यू वाउचर दे रहे हैं, जिसको वो कहीं भी किसी भी आउटलेट पे रिडीम कर सकता है. तो ये भी एक हमारा एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट है. आई थिंक ये एक स्मॉल स्केल जो कैफे लाइंस होती है, अभी इसमें स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है.
Moving forward, I will take you to another slide. That is the franchise investment. See, everyone, first thing which everyone present here is want to know कि भाई आपका आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है, पर इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है. So we have curated all this in a very minimal investment thing with the financials on the screen. You can see, like we do DIY interiors and furnitures, so that there's always a unique thing, unique factor added to everything. So which saves a lot of cost and a time and dependency on the market vendors. Then we plan the foremost expenses we put in is for the kitchen, because the roots of a cafe business is the food, and if we don't put the best quality of the ingredients and the best quality of the staff there, there's no need of a such cafe in the market, because it can't compete. So what we offer anyone who's going to be a part of my Chain Smoker family, that from the scratch of building a business to the day they are with us, we'll be providing them with every support. First, all the development of the cafe from a raw scratch place to a running cafe, and also running the business with them for at least 90 days, so that they don't have to fear that कि यार भाई हमने फ्रेंचाइजी तो ले ली, पैसा भी खर्च कर दिया, ब्रांड नेम भी लग गया, बट फर्स्ट टाइमर्स होते हैं कई सारे जो रन कैसे करें चीजों को. दैट इज अ foremost question, but the brand will be there for you. हमेशा हम साथ में बैठेंगे और we'll help them out. We always have 24/7 support for such people, for our people, that they are in tension, they have any issues with recipes, things, we are always there for them. So that's a basic investment of 10,30,000. We go for the model now. This thing, an area of 1,000 to 1,000 square feet, we take it as our adequate area because we want to serve more and more people. A 400-600 cafe place is also available in 2 tier cities, but that doesn't give that value to the customer. So in that sense, we go for bigger places, so that bigger the place, bigger the customer number, bigger the pocket number, bigger the revenues, and bigger the profit of your, obviously. Any cafe will take around 30 to 60 days to develop, and ROI is within 2 years. With the merchandise system involved, that can lessen the ROI thing. But if we just talk about the food and the core cafe lines, within 2 years, you'll get all your money back. And after 2 years, your cafe is running good, or brilliant, great in the market. The services we provide in our franchise model is the interior development, inventory management, staffing, promotion, everything. So features is like we provide staff and chef training exclusively on the outlets or our master franchisee for the taste to be similar or the same at every place anyone go. Because right now, if we can see, we are running an outlet in MP, that is Central India, and we have running outlets in Maharashtra, Chandigarh, as well as in Himachal Pradesh. So getting the same taste all over is kind of difficult. But we are focusing on that, and we have provided our customers the same taste they used to have in Indore. They had the same taste in Kasol. So that gives our brand more priority. We also provide us a unique billing system of ours, which will provide reward points and rewards to our customers. As Dileshwar said a few moments before, this billing software is curated in such a way that every customer who drops into a cafe or the online website will have their own wallet or a reward wallet on our website linked to their phone number and email ID. And every time they put a purchase on the website or pay a bill at our cafe, a 10 to 15% of the reward coins of the same money will be transacted to their wallet. And next time when they come, they can get discount out of that, or pool that money to a particular amount to cash that out. So that if imagine your bill is 1,000 rupees, I give you 150 cash back. Your 150 rupees is in your reward wallet. Next time you come, your bill is 150 rupees. So you have a choice. You can redeem all your points for 150 and don't pay a single penny at the counter, or you can store them for the future and pay the bill in cash. So there's an option available in that, which makes the customer more interested and curious about the system. This kind of things we can have seen running in the credit app, that's the credit card app. These all give you coins and rewards, but there's always a cap or a bar that this percentage of the coins can be used. You have to pay something in cash. But our motto is no hidden fees, being transparent with the customers as well as the Chainsmoker family. So we provide such rewards that they can redeem. And if someday we are talking about students and the people who are working, the month end is there, they have tight pockets. At that point, if they have some kind of 500 or 400 reward coins in their wallet, they can drop by my cafe and have their food and meal without paying a single penny. So that is the value we want to create with the system. We provide with all kind of marketing collaterals for the brand continuously, whether it's being the social media sector, social media posts and postings, the stories, reels, or we can say any emailers or any marketing collateral that has to be put on the cafes itself. Multi-cuisine menu, as I discussed, we provide all the branding material, promotions, exclusive promotions and events on the cafe, as well as promotions in newspapers, websites, YouTube, everything. So we have our media coverages going on in the newspapers and online websites and Google News already. And all our partners or the ones who will join our family will have their PRs also going on the internet, because what we say, the name is what it means, the quality is what you provide. If someone knows your name, they'll come to you once, but if you provide them quality at that same point, they'll always come to your place only. Moving forward, we have our master franchise system also available, which is a small system that is for 18 lakh rupees. That is basically a single master franchisee unit for the master franchisor, as well as 4 sub units for the person. That is 5 years down the line. If we say about the earning sector, the royalty which brands holds, which is 6%, we'll directly give 50% to our master franchisee. The fee share is also to master franchisee. Central marketing fee shares also to marketing franchisee. And if we provide these kind of percentages or revenue percentages to our master franchise, they'll get an ROI within 2 and 2.5 years. And that is quite a good time. Let's talk about the ticket size. We have discussed about the menu, ki haan, menu mein ye cheezein hain, sab hain. But what if you come to my cafe, you must have an idea what is to be spent at minimum or at max, what is the need of the pocket to come to my cafe, which has been decreased as compared to the market. So as per the menu design and ticket size per table, it fluctuates with the number of people on the table, as well as the seasonal specialities and everything. But if we say about a basic thing, the plain thing, the standard thing is we provide beverages in an order pattern of 100 and 150, which it has more than 50-60 variables available in the menu. Appetizers, it starts from 80 to 140 for a quick snack, and we also provide heavy snacks that are based Indian and mostly continental also, so that if anyone is coming, 2 individuals are there at my cafe and they want to spend their time, so there is no time cost there, but a little 300 or 500 bucks spent from the pocket for an hour or two with a good food and a good vibe is always worth it. A little more technical about the thing, the staffing requirements. Depending on the size and menu and the task to be done, there are little things which can be added or decreased, but on the standard plan, we help you with 2 head chefs, 2 chefs for the things, 1 steward, 1 kitchen helper, 1 housekeeping 24/7 guy, and a floor manager. These are the basic HR requirements, and which are, according to me, is very less for the value and the vibe we provide the people. So yeah, the Chain Smokers India is not just limited to the cafes. We have our different line of businesses also. So the Chain Smoker family offers different services which are the added benefits in our franchisee bundle. As Dileshwar told us about the Monkey Store, t-shirt, hoodies, lighters, keychains, masks, glasses, everything, which is ever in trend, anything, the Monkey Store is there to provide the outlets with a showcase of the things we sell online, so that the customer who is running down the cafe for a quick grab can also have a look at the t-shirt and the qualities and the prints and buy it from there, which will also provide a revenue generation for the franchise owner. Then we have our in-house, the kiosk. That's our food supply line of business, where we provide all kind of teas, coffee, sauces, syrups, everything which is needed in the cafe to run in the kitchen, rather than all the dairy and the fresh items that will be localized. But all the things which can have a storage life or a shelf life will be provided by the company itself and always be serviced, and the stock will be fulfilled by the company only. Then we have the Chain Smokers Events and Entertainment, where we provide open mics, live music gigs, and many more indoor events to increase the footfall of the outlet. So when we brand something, we can't brand single thing, a cafe or a food every time, because not every customer is attracted to that advertisement. So for that thing, our in-house event team tend to provide quarterly and monthly events for the same, so that we can promote the outlet in such a way that the crowd who loves open mics, artists around the city should also get a platform and join with the chain smokers. As at the starting of this presentation, you must have seen a video that was a very quick shot of India, Central India's underground scene, that is rapping. We hold regular events for open mics and underground ciphers at our cafe in Indore, Devas, and Himachal. So in these places, we provide them a stage and a platform to showcase their talents, as well as the audience gets a cozy vibe to enjoy the moment, not on a stage, not on something. The artist is one-on-one with them. Anyone who is a newbie or a struggler, intermediate, learner, any kind of person, we provide them a stage to showcase their talent, as well as which help cafes to get more footfall. And at the time of events, we also provide them with referral and loyalty cards. That's our one of the unique approach to get a loyal customer base. So yeah, I was talking about interiors from so long. So we in general make our ambience as a combination of three major themes. One is vintage, one is retro, and third is nature. So all our ambitions are focused to be eco-friendly in nature, which hold the fine arts and the modern theme that is psychedelic, the neon artworks, the signages, which are the modern age uh, requirements or the feel of the people for the ambience. We provide them with that. And every year or after 2 years, we provide something unique, any machinery or something to our franchisees, so that people are very open to the things, so that they don't have to think that people will be bored of an ambience. We are there with them always to upgrade the ambience to whatever the customer in that area wants. So once what we have discussed right now is for the standard model. We also have an add-on thing, which is named as a game zone model, the premium model. If you have a bigger space, we have a little kind of game setups which we have done in our own cafes already. That is a snooker and pool table, PS3, PS4, any digital gaming consoles, arcade games. These kind of things attract people and tend to spend more time in the cafe. And if obviously someone is spending time, the pocket size will, the ticket size will automatically increase, hence generating revenue for the brand as well as the outlet. And we have one more unique concept called the discount darts. So every cash counter, we have put a dart system with the numbers on it. They have got three chances. The highest number they put the dart in, that is the discount they'll be availing on the bill every time they come to the cafe. So yeah, talking about the exclusivity, the promotions already mentioned before, we have our in-house PR and advertising team, which works 24/7 for the growth of the brand and our outlets. So joining the Chainsmokers family will help you grow the outlet as well as the own personalities over the media and the markets. And the thing which Dileshwar told us, the Chainsmokers loyalty card. So you can see on the screen, that's a basic loyalty card, as our ticket size is 300. If someone is coming to my cafe in a month for 10 days, the 9 days he's billing me of 300 and above. So every time they bill, a monkey is colored. And on the 10th day, the bill, whatever the bill is, that is on us. We'll provide them free food up to the amount of 300, which they have already paid for 9 days. So which means if you have even paid 500 for a day, there's a system of loyalty cards. There's a 300 500, and 1,000. There are 3 schemes for every visit you make. So depending on your group size, you can choose the loyalty card. And for that 10th free day, you tend to come 9 times to the cafe. And if someone is coming 10 days in a month to my cafe, I know he's a loyal customer. And as discussed before, open mic sessions, that's a trend, as well as our responsibility to provide the new artist, a place to explore their talents. The crowd to get something unique out of a cafe, rather than just a singer or someone speaking, or someone singing the whole night, a karaoke. We then provide an open mic where the audience can also come up to the stage. Whatever they want to perform, they can. So that creates a friendly vibe over the atmosphere. So yeah, marketing strategy for different kind of outlets. We have different kind of crowds and many different kinds of interest groups which are involved in this business. So for that thing, we have different promoting systems. The main thing is Facebook and Instagram paid ads. Google My Profile business. People mostly don't go for that, like don't give it that value. But we know what Google holds and Google makes. Influencer marketing. Everyone knows that nowadays reels are the trends. Instagram and social media influencers are the next brand ambassadors of the future. So for any business, a two-tier business like us, it's difficult for us to sign Amitabh Bachchan or Salman Khan as a brand ambassador. But signing an influencer will also provide them a brand stage, as well as their followings, and the local presence in the region will provide the brand with more and more footfalls, as well as more and more promotional activities and opportunities to grab more footfall and more revenue. Behind the scene photos and videos, all the things. So we make corporate videos for our brands, as well as our in-house PR team will create the process of cooking foods, and that will be displayed on a TV in the main cafe sitting area. So the person sitting there having any doubt about the hygiene or the process, that how the things are being cooked, the videos will be shared. There will be advertisings which will holding up behind the scenes, that how the things we make. Everything will be filmed and shown. So people will be a part of the process. And if someone is a part of some process, they're already attached emotionally to that thing. We have offers like happy hours, deal of the day, different combos depending on the day, at the times also. Signboards and light boards. We are into construction of these personally. So we put up some innovative things like suggesting of our own cafe. We don't showcase as normal at the Chain Smokers Cafe. We have just put up a signboard across the street, cafe and snooker pool available. People tend to be curious, what brand is this? Why there is no name of the brand mentioned? So it's more likely for them to visit our place, rather, because if I put the Chain Smokers, they'll Google the name, they'll see acha aisa hai, and they might move forward. They don't be curious enough to stop the vehicle and come inside or come to the rooftop and visit the cafe. So that's a strategy of our own. Events and live videos and social media. Every time we hold any event or any special thing being in the cafe, rather being a celebration of a guest or anything. So we will be showcasing that on our social media platforms, across every platform, so that people should have that personal touch everywhere. Interactive content marketing. So we'll be putting two-way communications regarding what the customer is seeking for nowadays. What's the taste their palate is looking for? What is the vibe that's missing in the place that they're used to sit at? So we provide such kind of two-way communication surveys, as well as mini games and interactive sessions online on our brand channel, so that we tend to know the customers better. And yeah, broadcasting user generated content. It is basically people come to our cafe, click a photo of the food, click the place of an ambience. We request them to tag us on social media. So that provide us a platform or an opportunity to get the word of mouth digitally over their friend circles. Because if we say, if I promote paid also, people will see and leave. But a friend of mine had posted a photo of a coffee over a good place with a good neon light setup. And it's my curiosity, I'll ask him, bro, what's this place? How far is that from my place? Rather than Googling, I will go and talk to my friend who has already taken the experience. What we say is experiential learning. So once who have taken the experience, they are our own brand ambassadors. Their word of mouth is enough for us to grow in the markets. We don't need to brand ourselves and pay the money for the paid reach and things. Organic reach will be so strong that we don't have to worry about things. So we have reached with a resort and cafes in Kasol, Tosh, talking from the north. From Central India region, we have our base, the first cafe in Indore, 2 cafes running Indore more, a cafe in Devas, a cafe in Guna, which will be opened by the New Year's, 2 cafes in Betul running. The outlet in Raipur is already in making. The Pune outlets are ready and running from past few months, and few more locations which are not disclosed yet, but to be taught by mouth. We are coming up with a cafe and place in Srinagar. We also have words in Vadodara right now. And our next destination is Jaipur, Jaisalmer and Udaipur. We are already have investors on board and the planning is already done. So that's what we say. We are expanding all over India. So we can provide anyone, any opportunity they need anywhere in the country. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mehul ji and Dilveshwar ji for this very detailed presentation. And I feel you've worked a lot, especially on the marketing side. And today, a lot of companies are also using influencer marketing, which creates a bigger impact than even the celebrities endorsing that brand, because people have consumed and experienced the brand. And their word of mouth, speaks volume to the customers. So friends, the opportunity is chain smokers, and we have the promoters of the company, Mehul ji and Dilveshwar ji, who talked about the business model. It is a cafe based out of Indore, and they have created a model for today's millennials. They are creating a community through community events which are supported by the subscribers. I think from the look and feel to the locations to the merchandise selection, all that put together is something which promotes this community. And they're encouraging communal dining where youngsters would hang out in groups, affordable menu, which is everyday consumer can come and it does not pinch them in terms of pricing. And also very engaging format of cafe where people engage for long hours by socializing, playing, and plus, with the exclusive range of merchandise which they can carry back at the end of the day. And community is a very important to millennials. They like community events, they support them. And today millennials represent a very new challenge, not only in what food is being served on menus, but also how it is served. So all that is being considered in the creation of this business model. And Mehulji, we can remove the slide from the screen. And friends, I will request you, I see some questions already from all of you which are coming in, and I take all these questions very quickly. Sure, and I see some of you also raising hands. Friends, I will request Q&A box में ही जो भी आपके questions हैं आप लिखिए. अगर आपका city है, आप interested हैं कोई specific city में, put the name of the city and put the name of the city and the question that you want to ask, and we'll pick that up with your name. So very quickly, Mehulji, because we have I think last 10 odd minutes to go. I'll pick one question from Mr. Hemant Kumar. I think we didn't cover on the operating expenses. So this is one question he has. Typically, operating expenses हमारे क्या होते हैं, and if you can also give and segregate on the cost, जैसे food cost हमारी क्या है, what is the cost on rental idly we are looking at, what is the cost of other manpower that we put in the outlet.
So in that sense, there's 2 ways to communicate the answer. As we have short of time, I can't share the franchise model on the screen right now. For short, Mr. Hemant, thank you for your question first. The thing I'll tell you, running cost also depends on the areas. As we can say for 2-tier city, if you're looking for, your basic running cost per month is not more than 40K, which includes your rent, that is around 20K. 20-25K is the basic rent for 1,000 square feet space in any good area in a two-tier city. Plus, the staffing cost is around 18 to 20,000. So that is the basic cost. If then I go for the food line, food inventory cost will be costing you around 10 to 20,000 for a month, and also depends on the number of customers you have. So that's not a fixed thing which we can quote anytime, every time, because some of the outlets are getting 100 customers per day and some are getting 20 or 25 in the initial months. So we can't segregate in that way. But I'll tell you, the running costs are so low. And if I say of the profit margin, if you look at our menu or the financial model design, when you will go for a franchisee thing, you will be amazed to see that we are running on 25% costs in the market. Including the merchandise thing, 30% of the costing is there, and 70% is the whole profit from the revenue. So that is, I think, a good model to go for. Staff requirements I have discussed in the slides before. We need a chef for the good food. We need a helper for the chef for the quick deliveries. We need a 24/7 housekeeping guy available, because when people sit and youth is anywhere present, they tend to do the things dirtily. So we need to maintain the hygiene of the place regarding that, and a manager to run the outlet peacefully.
You talked about the rental, and I have a question, because the rentals we're talking about is 20,000, and the area we're looking is very big. Don't you think, these rentals?
So right now, if I
could be
see
little more
what
realistic?
we are looking for the
And
roof.
क्या locations हम target कर रहे हैं? What kind of
I'll tell you.
locations would have these kind of?
If we
rent?
go on a roadside thing, a commercial building, the rentals are up to 3,000 per square feet too in a mall. But the people don't come to mall that often. They need a secluded place. So why we provide? We tend for rooftop cafes mostly. And we all know that roof costs are always cheaper than the ground floor costs. So in that way, I told you 1,000 square feet rooftop space will cost you 20,000 bucks, because these are cheaper as compared. And we want to provide such places so that if the costings are low, because all these things are tentative, it all depends on which city we are talking about, what location the franchisee is interested in. If someone says, I need a chain smokers cafe in a mall, I can promise him 20,000. That all depends on the area as well as the things which is required on the floor. It's a basic cost, the standard cost, I can say, because we are running such cafes for a tier 2 city. If we go for a commercial location, it will around 30 to 50,000. The cost will vary. So basic things we are running right now, we have been lucky enough to do good research in the market to get cheap places on rent for good business.
Will you also be able to advise Mehul ji on locations? अगर किसी को property assistance चाहिए, will you be able to advise them on that and help them on that?
Surely. We have our teams all over the city. See, we are running on major states right now. So we have our teams already working there, and we have a list of all available areas in every city. So if someone is interested that they don't have a location or real estate agent with them or space with them, if they're interested in franchising, having an outlet, we help them for everything from scratch.
Sure. And, we talked about the investment broadly, but what would be the breakup of this investment? We talked about 1,000, 2,000 square feet of space. What is the breakup of this investment?
As we can say, breakup of the space, the major will be a kitchen space, a good kitchen, but a more of a sitting space. Like the ratio will be always 20% for the kitchen and the house works, and 80% for the sitting area. Because if we say 80,000 square feet, that's around 10 tables. 10 tables with 4 people at a time, that is 40 people. And a 200 square feet kitchen is more than enough to serve 40 people at a time.
And क्या इसमें investment का breakup क्या रहेगा? जो भी हम investment
का basic breakup is all the furnitures, interior fittings, as well as the kitchen material, all the machineries in the kitchen, the staff training, the staff availability of the staff, everything is covered in the franchise cost, which we are providing.
Okay, and
The
how much
kitchen
would
is the-
that be if we, अगर आप broadly आप बता सकें, and friends, we'll share with you the entire breakup in detail
Yeah.
for all the heads, but broadly क्या रहेगा ये, how much franchise fees,
That is
कितना
around-
interior?
Around 10 to 12 lakhs is the basic investment
हाँ
for
जी,
this model, which includes the fees as well. If I say about the development, we will create a cafe in around that fees only, because being the first generations, we don't go for earning or snatching the money as a fee. We also spend these fees on our outlets only, because if they earn, my brand will earn. The basic breakups includes everything, starting from the legal fees, the licenses, food license, gumashta, everything. Then comes down to the location. The deposits and rents are different in the scenario.
sure.
Other than that, whatever in the place, see, if you give me a place, getting a cafe made on a blank rooftop or a blank shop, everything is included in that.
Okay, that's helpful. Peshwarji, very quickly, 2-3 more questions which I'll pick, and one is from Mr. Sujit Pandey. He's looking either for Chennai or Varanasi. These are two cities which I see. So he says that would these two locations be open? And also his question is, do you also offer a smaller kiosk model, you know, something which can be set up,
Yes.
say, in corporate offices? So is that something which can also be looked at?
Yes, we have QSRs already. Like, we are in terms with a few companies which are looking forward for QSR models, because what I say, weekends we have more of a corporate crowd in our cafes, and they like our ambience and food, and they wish to have such kind of food and quick deliveries in their parking basements or the canteens of the corporates. So we are open for that model too, because we also have our corporates running through these, and soon we'll be opening some corporate kiosks. So that time we'll share all the details with people, and yeah, the kiosk thing is good to be done. We can go for that.
And how much would be the cost comparatively? Would that come down?
As compared, that will come down. Depends on what location and what size is. See, sometimes when you talk about corporates, it's just a counter, and if it's just a counter, we can complete the whole thing in 5 to 6 lakhs. But if they want a sitting space along with the counter, then it's a cafe in itself.
And I also have another question on the staff. So while you did talk about that, but इसमें जो staff है, will that be hired or only trained by you, or any assistance which is given to franchisees for hiring?
There is no bars for the hiring of the things. We are always there for assisting. If a outlet owner hires their own chef or something, we are always there to train them. We don't put any obligations on people that no, staff हमसे लेना पड़ेगा. It's basically कि whatever you want, we'll provide you, and the value which is foremost in the whole system is done by us. Trainings will be done by us, and if someone is there that I don't know where to get staff from, we provide the staff at that point.
All right, that's very helpful. And you know, what would be locations? Because I see you are currently clustered around MP, most of the locations, and Pune is a new location which is coming up. So, कौन सी locations priority पे होंगी आपके? And I will also take a question from Mr. Rahul Bang. He's asking, are you open for Nagpur? Because we already there in that you know, around that location. And is there also a franchisee-owned company operated model that can be
Yes.
offered? Yes.
Yes, we offer FICO and FOCO models also, and we are open for Nagpur as well, because right now we have our operations in Pune, and being in Maharashtra, we already have presence, so it's very much doable for Nagpur.
Sure.
And
Sure.
for your
Sure.
question, we are open all over India, right? Because we believe in expanding in every direction, because the crowd is very much variable. It's basically our learnings and research which will increase when we get opportunities in states we are not present.
Sure.
Right now we are having words with West Bengal and Kolkata. That's a
Mhm.
totally different market. That is a non-veg based market,
Hanji, right.
and these kind of places offer some new dishes which will require some new kind of inventory. So we research and do things for these kind of different markets also.
So I also have Atulji asking for the menu. We'll share it with you, Atulji, the entire menu, and pricing we've already discussed, and the menu is also very wide as mentioned by Dilveshwarji. And friends, any other questions if you have, you can reach out on the hotline number of Franchise India, because we don't have too much of time to extend. And Ajita ji is asking which area in Pune is available. So I think she's looking for Pune. तो अभी हमारा किस location पे है?
Right now we have one in Viman Nagar,
अच्छा.
above Virani Cafe, and all the locations of Pune are open for us.
तो ये operational है दिलवेश्वर जी? The Pune outlet is operational?
So it will be operational by 15th of this month. The
Okay.
cafe is ready, it's running, but the branding is yet to be.
Okay, it is about to be launched. So Viman Nagar में है अजिता जी, and entire Pune is available. हाँ, अगर आपकी कोई location है, you can reach out to us, and we can have our team share with you complete details. And after the webinar, friends, we are also doing a discovery day. Discovery day पे जो भी आपकी queries रहेंगी, questions आपके रहेंगे, where you want to get into detailed understanding of the model, what is there for you, आपकी obligation क्या है, or what the support that you get from the company. We're doing a discovery day in the coming week, where all of you can book your slot with us. And this is happening on 16th of November. So 16 November is the date where we're doing a discovery day. इस दिन पे आप अपना एक 1-to-1 slot book कर सकते हैं with the team of Chain Smokers, and we'll get you on a half an hour 45 minutes slot either on a Zoom or maybe telephonic. अगर आप local हैं, इंदौर में हैं, we can even do a face-to-face meeting. For all our viewers outside who want to connect, our teams will reach out to you and start fixing your meetings. And before we close, last question, Mehul ji, I'd like to request if you have any message for the entire audience which has joined in.
The only thing I would like to say, our motive and the whole soul reason behind starting this Chain Smokers is to get into the youth, which is the future, and provide a helping hand and opportunities in small scale businesses. Because after pandemic, we have started this brand when many of the people crossed out their businesses and shut down their businesses. So our game is to start these local brands, local outlets, and our aim is to take this brand to globally, to different countries, to provide India a network to grow more economy in the food sector.
Very good. And thank you so much, Mehul ji, Dilveshwar ji, for being with us. And as we close, I will now request Rachna to take on the closing remarks and advise our investors on the subsequent events. Over to you, Rachna.
So thank you so much, Mehul. Thank you so much, Dileshwar ji. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for joining in today. We would like to thank all the dear participants for joining in today. Please do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. Also write to us at feedback@franchiseindia.in. Connect with us at the different social handles. We are available at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Also, you can easily connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. Information we have just shared. This will help you in getting more information about different business opportunities as well as other inputs. And tomorrow under our 12 p.m. webinar, we are bringing the retail opportunity nuts and flex. The brand comes from Pune and they are offering two different models, which can be started with the investment of 6 lakh rupees and it goes up to 11 lakh rupees. To do registration, you can either reach our business hotline number or go to Facebook page where we have shared the registration link. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends.